Hey Brianna, I was invited by Bill Schilling, a member of IBDEA, suggested that I should come and see what IBDEA is all about, and strongly suggested I become a member, just based on the community that you guys have here and the networking possibilities that we have. And we've been in here for 20 minutes already, and I've already met 3 great contacts that we can network with to get potential new business going with them with regards to ice equipment. So it's turned out to be very fruitful so far.